So this is a revisit of Portarlington. I was here a few years ago. Someone asked me to do a park close by here, so I'm going to be off to do that later on. And I said I may as well revisit here. It's been about 2 years. Now I'm here very early. It's like 7 o'clock in the morning on a Saturday. So the town's going to be dead with people, but I kind of like scenes like this. You just get to see the buildings and you just get to see... You just kind of get to see what the town is like for what it is. And then you just add Irish people. I remember walking by here the last time. And Vanguard just stuck her head out the window and goes, "You alright?" And I'm like, "Yeah, I'm good, how are you?" I was like... Lovely colours on some of the buildings. Really like them. Vibrancy. Very beautiful. And then you have the contrast on the other side of a derelict building. Sale agreed, so hopefully that will be built up soon. That's good. 10 apartments. Right in the heart of the city, like right beside a pub. Takeaway. And another pub. So these would be nice towns to start a small business. The rent wouldn't be as expensive. Then the footfalls wouldn't be as much, but the overheads wouldn't be as expensive. So, only an hour's travel away from Dublin city centre. Shoe store. I can see the reflections are too good, so quaint little shops, school books, pubs. know if I can have this as the thumbnail again. The Savoy. It's changed a little bit. If you want to go back and check out my previous video, I don't know if I can link it above. Oh, that's nice. Nice bit of artwork while they're waiting on construction to happen. I have a few projects lined up. Some more towns. So if you have a request, if I can possibly do it, let me know. That was supposed to be me talking there, but all of a sudden the city's come alive. As soon as I wanted to talk, the city just comes alive with traffic. Anyway, if you have any requests of places, I'll see if I can make it happen. So drop a place down below in the comments. I'll do a walking tour or a drone video, depending on what's possible. Usually if it's close to Dublin. Oh wait, never mind, hold on. Usually if it's close to Dublin I can get it done within a few weeks, but if it's further afield, I will be getting further afield, but it's going to just take some time to get that. But I'll make note when I'm in that area, because there's a big surprise coming up. I'm just waiting for stuff to go through, and there'll be a nice big reveal coming down the channel shortly. There's a derelict house there. Oh, something smells delicious. You know, when you smell that sausage in the air and it's almost like there's a lot of butter on it, and yeah, that's what I'm smelling in the air. I'll get a snack later on. And there's Calm River. Go for a lovely stroll. That there's a different city. I have to do that another day. It looks like it has a nice church. And display. The door's painted on. Good. So let me know. You from Portarlington? I know a few people have been watching the last video or commenting on it. Someone actually seen their old car. That was hilarious. So yeah, let me know. And if you want, if this video does well, I'll probably come down and try out one of the pubs or restaurants. So if you have any recommendations. I never really do food blogs. They're not really my style because I'm fat enough as it is. Love the local accents. Love the local accents. So we're going to walk basically back to the car now. We're going to head off because of 2 more locations to hit today and send the drone up for a bit more footage. So yeah. Fingers crossed I don't die here. The place looks very nice. There's mirrors, double windows, like they're painted on. I don't know. So we're going to walk down the main street again from the opposite side, and then we're done. This place here, I had trouble with the name. I thought it was like burger and kebabs. It's actually just the name of the pub. Electronic store as well. Some stores with shutters down. Do you know, I had a spice bag there recently from Dunn Stores. The first one. I have to try it from a restaurant. It's very nice, even frozen. You cook at home. Fish and chip Italian pizza. And at the heart, a very good town. There's a nice centre with a breakfast roll. Does the job. It's like 7, what time is it? It's 7:30 and everyone didn't get their hair done. Fair play to the professor. We got a wine store. Beauty place. Oh no, I don't need that. Because I was behind the camera. Suits. I'd say this place does a good food. There's another takeaway. Let me know which is your favourite local. Which is your local? down here, you know, what's your night out like, Portarlington? Do you hit a few beers? Do you have a few pre-drinks, hit a few beers, hit the chipper and go home? Or this place? The whole place is for sale. I could house a lot of people. Called the Dublin Bar, down in Portarlington. Not even in Dublin County. 10 new apartments. Hopefully some social affordable houses for some people in need. I don't know what that is. Place is long gone, so I don't know. That's just a beautiful house. The decoration on it. Beautiful. Beautiful. Just heard a train, so is there a train station nearby? Now, further down the road there's 2 carriage stations and an alley. It seemed very bog standard, so I didn't bother to record it. Just from this corner here down seemed to be the most authentic part of Ireland, Irish cities. There we go, lovely old door. There we go. Right, we'll leave it at that. Like, subscribe and comment below.